Hello students, welcome to our channel Learning Notebook. In today's video, we will do part 1 of chapter Measurement. In this part 1, we will understand measurement of length. So let's start and see what all topics we are going to cover today. First is units to measure length. Second, conversion of meter into centimeter. After that, centimeter into meter, kilometer into meter and meter into kilometer. In the end, we will solve few word problems based on conversion of units. Students, when we talk about measurement, we talk about measurement of length, measurement of weight or mass and measurement of capacity. In part 1 and part 2, we will do measurement of length. Let's first see the units to measure length. First unit is millimeter, which is denoted by mm. Millimeter is used to measure very short length. For example, we can use millimeter to measure thickness of credit card, cardboard or 10 sheets of paper. Second unit is centimeter, which is denoted by cm. Centimeter is used to measure short length. For example, we can use centimeter to measure length of safety pin, pencil or pen. Students, centimeter is also used to measure short height. For example, height of table, chair, etc. can be measured using centimeter. Next unit of measuring length is meter, which is denoted by m. Meter is used to measure long length, like length of room, car or truck. Students, meter is also used to measure short distance. For example, distance from your bedroom to kitchen is measured in meter. And meter is used to measure long height, like height of tree or height of buildings. Last unit is kilometer, which is denoted by km. Kilometer is used to measure long distance. For example, distance between two cities is measured in kilometer. Students, let's summarize the 4 units to measure length. First is millimeter, which is used to measure very short length. After that, centimeter, which is used to measure short length and short height. Third is meter, which is used to measure long length, short distance and long height. And the last one is kilometer, which is used to measure long distance. So now let's see how to convert these length units. First is meter into centimeter. Students, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So to convert meter into centimeter, multiply by 100. Let's see few examples to understand the same. First example is convert 12 meter into centimeter. I just told you 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore, to convert 12 meter into centimeter, we will multiply 12 with 100, which is equals to 1200 centimeter. So students, 12 meter equals to 1200 centimeter. Let's do one more example. convert 7 meter 15 centimeter into centimeter. 7 meter 15 centimeter means 7 meter plus 15 centimeter. Now we have two terms, 7 meter and 15 centimeter. 15 is already in centimeter. So let's convert 7 meter into centimeter. To convert 7 meter into centimeter, multiply by 100, which is 7 into 100 centimeter. 7 into 100 equals to 700 centimeter. Therefore, 700 centimeter plus 15 centimeter equals to 715 centimeter. Let's see one more similar example. Convert 2 meter 4 centimeter into centimeter. Student, as I just told you, 2 meter 4 centimeter means 2 meter plus 4 centimeter. 4 is already in centimeter. So now let's convert 2 meter into centimeter, which is equals to 2 into 100 centimeter. Because to convert meter into centimeter, we will multiply by 100. Now 2 into 100 equals to 200 centimeter. Therefore, 200 centimeter plus 4 centimeter equals to 204 centimeter. So students, this is how we convert meter into centimeter. Now let's see how to convert centimeter into meter. Students, 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So to convert centimeter into meter, we will divide by 100. Let's solve few questions to understand this. To solve such questions, first we need to understand division by 100. We have already covered division by 10, 100 and 1000 in part 3 of chapter 5. Students, make sure you watch this video to understand how to divide without long division method. First question is, convert 300 centimeter into meter. Students, we just learned to convert centimeter into meter, divide by 100. Therefore, 300 centimeter equals to 300 divided by 100 meter. And when a number is divided by 100, digits at ones and tens place make up the remainder, and rest of the digits make up the quotient. So in this case, remainder is 0 and quotient is 3. Therefore, our answer is 3 meter. Second question is, convert 125 centimeter into meter and centimeter. Again students, to convert centimeter into meter, we will divide by 100. And I just told you, when a number is divided by 100, digits at ones and tens place make up the remainder. So here, remainder is 25. And rest of the digits make up the quotient. So here, quotient is 1. Therefore, answer is 1 meter and 25 centimeter. Let's do one more question. Convert 1057 centimeter into meter and centimeter. Students, let's divide it by 100. So here 57 will be remainder and 10 will be quotient. Therefore, answer is 10 meter 57 centimeter. Now let's see how to convert kilometer into meter. Students, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So to convert kilometer into meter, we will multiply by 1000. Students, we have already done fractions. So can you tell me what will be half of a kilometer? Yes, it is 1000 divided by 2, which is equals to 500 meter. So half kilometer equals to 500 meter. Now let's do few questions. First question is, convert 4 kilometer into meter. Students, we just learned to convert kilometer into meter, multiply by 1000. So 4 kilometer equals to 4 into 1000 meter, which is equals to 4000 meter. Next question is, convert 3 kilometer and 250 meter into meter. Students, 3 kilometer 250 meter means 3 kilometer plus 250 meter. Now we have two terms, 3 kilometer and 250 meter. 250 is already in meter. So we will convert 3 kilometer into meter. To convert kilometer into meter, multiply by 1000, which means 3 into 1000, which is equals to 3000 meter. So students, 3000 meter plus 250 meter equals to 3250 meter. Let's do last question. Convert 5 1/2 kilometer into meter. Students, 5 1/2 kilometer means 5 kilometer plus 1/2 kilometer. To convert 5 kilometer into meter, we will multiply by 1000. And half kilometer means 500 meter. Therefore, 5 into 1000 meter plus 500 meter, which is equals to 5000 meter plus 500 meter. Therefore, answer is 5500 meter. So students, this is how we convert kilometer into meter. Now let's see how to convert meter into kilometer. 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. So to convert meter into kilometer, divide by 1000. And students, we know 500 meter equals to 1/2 kilometer. Now let's do some questions based on it. Question is, convert 6000 meter into kilometer. As we just learned, to convert meter into kilometer, we will divide by 1000. So 6000 meter equals to 6000 divided by 1000 kilometer. When a number is divided by 1000, digits at ones, tens and hundreds place make up the remainder. So here remainder is 0 and the remaining digits make up the quotient. So here quotient is 6. Therefore answer is 6 kilometer. Now next question is, convert 5005 meter into kilometer and meter. Students, to convert meter into kilometer, let's divide by 1000. So here remainder is 5 and quotient is 5. Therefore answer is 5 kilometer 5 meters. Now let's summarize what we have learned so far. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So to convert kilometer into meter, multiply by 1000. Next, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So to convert meter into centimeter, multiply by 100. Now 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So to convert centimeter into meter, divide by 100. And 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. So to convert meter into kilometer, divide by 1000. Now students, let's do few word problems based on conversion of length unit. First question is, Rinky's kite went up to a height of 1083 meter. How many kilometer high did the kite go? In this question, we have to convert meter into kilometer. So it means we have to divide by 1000. So 1083 meter equals to 1083 divided by 1000 kilometer. So here remainder is 83 and quotient is 1. So answer is 1 kilometer 83 meter. Let's write the answer statement. Rinky's kite went 1 kilometer 83 meter high. Next question is, Myra purchased two 1/2 meter long ribbons. Convert the length into centimeters. In this question, we have to convert meter into centimeter. Students, 2 1/2 meter means 2 meter plus 1/2 meter. To convert 2 meter into centimeter, we will multiply by 100 and 1/2 meter equals to 50 centimeter. Therefore, we get 2 into 100 centimeter plus 50 centimeter, which is equals to 200 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. So answer is 250 centimeter. Answer statement will be, Myra purchased 250 centimeter long ribbon. So students, in this video, we learned 4 units to measure length: millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Then we learned how to convert them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Learning Notebook and make sure to press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.